I wanted to share 5 tips for home inspectors because starting a new business and boosting an existing business can be challenging, and staying motivated is crucial to the success of your business. So here are 5 tips to stay motivated and succeed in their journey as an inspection business owner and operator, including marketing leadership strategies. We're going to go over those 5. And really, you have to change the way you think. Man, when I changed my perspective from being, I wanted to be the greatest home inspector, to being a successful business owner, you don't want to get just caught up in trying to be the best inspector and forget about business and marketing. You have to do both in order to succeed in any business. So there's that thing when people talk about like working in your business or on your business. You want to be working on your business, right? But eventually you want to be able to think of yourself as a business owner, an owner of a business that just so happens to do inspections. So take that home inspection business and marketing course at the Only Home Inspector College. Here are the 5 tips for inspectors. 1, set clear goals and a vision. Step 2, stay informed and adapt. 3, build a strong support network. 4, have effective marketing strategies. 5, leadership and self-care.